For the past 100 years, we told our children to go to college, learn a profession, and then sell or rent your knowledge for the rest of your life. Doctors sold medical knowledge. Lawyers sold legal knowledge. Financial advisors sold financial knowledge. But AI is about to change all that. They will build an AI agent, and then they will build a process around that AI agent, and then they will sell access to that AI agent. That's exactly what Best of Us Investors has done. Samantha is an example. She started out as my financial analyst, and then she became our tribe's stock investment tool. In the very near future, she will become every member of our tribe's stock analyst and investment advisor. The same evolution is going to occur in the fields of medicine, law, finance, insurance, real estate, travel, education, and business operations. Everybody who wants to build a business will build an AI agent, access all the knowledge. Then when they move into generative AI, that AI agent will become indispensable. The next generation won't ask the simple question, what profession do I want to pursue? Instead, they will ask the question, what problem do I understand well enough to build an AI agent that I can make available to the world? So what do I see in the future for Best of Us Investors? Is it an agent who advises you how to purchase stock to make better investment decisions? No. It's someone that you explore the future economy with, and you get ahead of that economy, and you change your life for the better. You know what you own, and you know what's going to happen with it.